Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Samisa Masa. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much if you're my returning subscriber. I can't thank you enough, but I'm super grateful. This is just a short video of harvesting some sweet potatoes and vegetables, but I'll give all the details to you in a longer video, but this is a short video. So let's go. Let's see. This is how we harvest our sweet potatoes. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section how you do it, and I'll be grateful. Let's go. So guys, this is not for the week, just know. But it's fun, by the way. It's fun. I've grown up doing this and I like it. Yeah, you just don't know how it feels like when you find one sweet potato or a sweet potato. It's fun. And having everything fresh from our garden, it's also a very big blessing. So guys, don't wonder why the potato garden looks like this. We've been having that garden for some months, so we are almost clearing that this area for another season. So we are harvesting potatoes for some last times, for a few more times, then we clear the plates for other things. By the way, do crop rotation. So if we have sweet potatoes this time, next time we shall plant something else, maize or something else. Yeah, and this is how we do it. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, so look at that, guys. Look at that. Packing, ready for home. I mean,
So
we're good to go. It's good to go home. We had some tomatoes and some green pepper in a basket. Just wait for that longer video. Keep watching and keep on to this channel. More videos are coming.
And
Yeah. So we normally pack our sweet potatoes in baskets or
I've taken
sacks and carry things on our heads and go home. Or wherever we are supposed to go, or wherever we are supposed to take them. Just look at my fingers, guys. So that has been the video. Thank you.